So now where are we going?
We're going to Sanam Chai station.
No, we're going to Golden Palace. And then we drop in Wat Pho and Wat Arun as well. So we're gonna drop at the sun.
So here
So here in Thai station we have an MRT, the station line, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They have 12 lines, so you can see over here. This is all the MRT and the skyscraper. And we are approaching with the two airport. This is Suvarnabhumi Airport. Okay, first we press. Okay, this is in Thai, right?
This
so
is Thai
if we
language.
move to English, we press over here, or you can get in Thai version over here. So whatever you want. We have only English and Thai, and then we use the station. We have purple line, blue line, so we use this station, Sanam Chai, and then we put a coin up here. One.
this one for coin. If
Yeah.
with the pouch.
If you use like the bank, you can put over here. Time to stop. It's not going on. That's it. Alright, let's go now. So before you lay in, you have to use a coin to press over here first. But for disabled people, as you can see this door, so you can use it like any luggage or baggage or trolley, you can use this way. But for the rest people, you can use another way as well. Alright, so now we are going.
Nah ini jalurnya. Kita tadi mau ke Sanam Chai Station. Ingat ya, kalau lihat dari map yang pertama itu dilihat dari line-nya, dari garisnya. Kita tadi ada di blue line. Tuh kan line-nya ada banyak tuh kan. So make sure you are in the right gate.
Nah. Carry you now. Carry you.
สถานีวัดมังกร วัดมังกร โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากรถ วัดมังกร Station Please mind the gap between train and platform สถานีสนามชัย Next station สนามชัย
Ini ada di Sanam Chai.
Yeah, that's sound.